Hello again. Quick update. I forgot what day it is. I think it's like 5 or 4. So we've got these two in. I think that was the last update. And now, if we turn around, we've got that in. And then here's the entire reason why I started this move. Oops. Is to have the printer and the silhouette together. And I think they both have enough room. The drawers are unfortunately full of like sewing machine stuff, which I may or may not consider bringing in. I don't know what to do about that space. I thought to put in another little shelf thing there, but maybe that's a bit too much. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, we've got this little like standalone wheelie thing. I was gonna put some plants on here, and that way they can like move out to the center a little bit to get a little more sun. The window's right here. And the computer setup looks like this now. And I think I'm happy with it. It's gonna take some time to get used to the monitor being on top instead of beside me, but I think this can work. We've got the PS4 there, the power and stuff all kind of tucked away in that one, the switch, and my cables are hidden by books. Imagine all of that gone. Don't look at that. Like, there. But yeah, I think it's taking shape. 2 more days, I think. That's how long it's gonna take. Because we still have the mess here to deal with, and some boxes that I've just been holding on for no reason. So those boxes are gonna go. The mouse pad and the keyboard are staying. I just don't know where they're going. And then I'm gonna fill these shelves with something meaningful in a meaningful order that I have not decided yet. But we'll get there. I think the top two I'm just gonna keep for like collection stuff. So the cookie, and maybe I'll move these books over that side so it kind of lines up with the art books on that side. We'll see. Anyway, that's the update.
Wait, how does it do that?
It's connected by Bluetooth.
Bluetooth. Oh, okay.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
So it took such effort to eat like the last 3 cookies in here to finally throw this in the bin. It's empty now. Oh, thank goodness. I think I've been eating this cookie for like 2 months? No way. Yeah? Anyway, it's been a long time and I'm finally done with it. I'm so glad. Oh, good riddance. Okay, so I've got some more work to do. I'm not showing. Okay, I guess I can show you. I've started testing out colors on that one up there, but I'm not going to show you how that turns, how that's shaping up just yet. But I think it looks good. Anyway, I'm gonna chuck this in the bin. Let's get. All right, so here is the updated shelving situation. So we've got collection, some how-to books, more art books. These are like binders. That black one there is my sticker collection. That one there is my Amiibo card collection, and that is just spare inserts. And I have just like blank binders over there. Those 2 baskets house my die cuts at the moment, as I expand the range, I'm going to, as you can see, there's like 4 different colors. So those baskets are ready when I get more stuff. That is just like general my use station, and I'll be using stickers there to decorate everything. I just need to use that up. These 2 bins, the big gray ones, are where I house a lot of my all of my deco stickers at the moment, including the character sticker sheets for Mad BNN, as you can see, and then the Lamia ones there. This tub has the new stickers that arrived recently. I don't know if it'll be in this vlog or the last one, but I did an unboxing for those. My acrylic charms, these are all I have at the moment, but I'm waiting on new stock, and that will be going on top of here. I want to get 2 more of these clear cases to stack on top, and that'll be that. I think this is the glossy deco and the matte deco, and inside this, I haven't put them in yet, but I'll be putting in all my different washi tape so that I know what I have at a glance. The rest of the stock I'll be putting into drawers in the garage, which is where the rest of these are too. If you recall, I have them in different seasons. So we've got the summer, the blue one, spring pink one, and the purple is for winter, and orange is for autumn. Yeah, that is the work I've done so far. I think it's pretty cute. Okay, so here it is. I've got my cutter. There's like my address on every side of this package except this one. I did my best to cover it up. Obviously, you guys know I'm in New Zealand, so I didn't bother covering that part up. Anyway, I know it's gonna be weird, but I'm gonna cut from the back. Just because there's just so much tape layer at the top. I'm afraid I might cut too deep. Oh my god. Hello? Alright, so first we've got these. They're the Yami Kawaii set. I think they turned out pretty vibrant considering I didn't convert to CMYK properly when I was drawing it. So like when I drew it, I don't know if you can see, sorry. What was I saying? Yeah, so the struggle with this set for me was I was too used to envisioning it in RGB. So considering that it had to be converted, I think it turned out pretty cute. I'll open it in a second. It's got like micro glitter effect on it. It's really cute. Let's look at these other ones. We've got my Halloween one that it took forever to finally release this set, but these came out really cute too. I think like slightly on the darker side, but I think that's alright. All turned out basically the same. This is what you get when you work in CMYK versus when you work in RGB. You have to convert. I think there's like a slight degree of disappointment when you slight degree of disappointment when you try to do a conversion and then like you're used to one version of it, and anyway, you get what I'm trying to say. All right, let's open this up and see how many we've got, because they usually are pretty generous. This is the first time I'm working with this manufacturer too, so shouldn't be picking favorites, but I really like how the Christmas one turned out. Oh, so cute. Actually, there's a few things I had to check as for this set. Alright, okay, so when they showed me, they didn't show me that the halo was cut, but I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the halo is cut out, the inside of it, and they didn't show me the inside of the wreath. Oh, it's struggling. I hope that's something, but you can, I don't know if you can see, but it is cut out, so I'm quite happy with it. And you know what? I didn't know how demanding I was being because it's so small. This is what I get for not doing a mock-up first, like printing it at home to scale to see how it will feel in the hand. But I love it. It's really cute. So I'm really excited to add this to my shop update. We'll start counting now, and it'll just probably be time lapse, and I'll figure out how many I keep for myself and for the photography purposes and all that, and how many I can put into inventory. So that's gonna be exciting. Oh, I'm still like really happy with how they turned out. I'm trying another manufacturer for another couple of designs for sticker sheets, so we'll see how they turn out. But let me just bring you into, oh no, What is that? Okay, I had a panic attack. I thought like there was like a big smushed bug or something on the side. Right, let me bring you in and wow. Sorry, excuse the mess. Excuse the shadows. Man, I'm really happy with them. They look so cute. I'm excited.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows.
So cringe. I just finished editing my first vlog. Yeah, oh shit. So it's I've kind of sent it to some friends to look over it before I publish it to the public. I need to make a thumbnail and all that. But that's in the works. I'm currently working on this bee. It's amazing how your perspective, like with fresh eyes, you can immediately tell what's wrong with it that you really couldn't tell before. So like the eyes were super wonky on this one, so I've been doing major adjustments. A little sneak peek, I did finish that slime one over there, but I won't show you that just yet. I'm really proud of how that turned out though. I'm like so excited. But that's for later. Anyway, I'm taking a little break from the cleaning so that I can get some charms done. Here's my baby Red and the baby Lamia and the baby bee, of course. Yeah, so that's the update. Not much. Not to toot my own horn, but I think this bee's turning out pretty cute. I'm getting pretty good at doing like random gooey textures, so if I do say so myself. I hope this one turns out good as a charm. I'm really excited, but I'm also always kind of worried whenever I make charms and pick colors. I'm slightly scared that they're always a bit too dark, so maybe that honey color won't quite translate. I don't know. Anyway.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows.